Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate invoice generation with FreshBooks. To begin automating invoice generation with FreshBooks, first, log in to your FreshBooks account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Invoices section found in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Invoice button located at the top right corner of the screen. Fill in the necessary client details, including their name and email address. Next, add the line items for the services or products you are billing for. Be sure to specify the quantities and prices for each item. Once you have entered all the details, look for the recurring option. Toggle the recurring invoice switch to activate it. Now, set the frequency of the invoice generation, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Choose the start date for the recurring invoices. You can also set an end date or leave it open-ended if needed. Review the summary of the invoice to ensure everything is accurate. After confirming the details, click on the Save button to finalize the invoice settings. To automate sending the invoices, enable the Email this invoice option. Enter the email message you would like the client to receive with their invoice. Set your preferred payment terms for when the invoice is due. Once everything is set, click on the Save and Send button to activate your recurring invoice. Your client will now automatically receive the invoice on the schedule you chose. To review or edit your recurring invoices, return to the Invoices section and select Recurring. Here, you can make any necessary adjustments or deactivate invoices if needed. Automation is now in place, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Regularly check your FreshBooks dashboard for updates on payment statuses. This process simplifies your billing and ensures timely payments from clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.